Hello and welcome to the Meta Ads course from start to success. Hi, my name is Abhay Swami and I have been an entrepreneur for 10 years and I've been using Meta Ads for the last 6 years. And this Meta Ads has been a journey for me. I've never done any professional Meta Ads course or anything, but I have learned through my own experiences. Uh, I've spent over 2 crores in Meta Ads from the last 6 years put together. And what I'm going to do here, or what I'm trying to do here, is put together all my years of experiences, my failures, my successes with Meta, and how you can use them for your product, for your clients, for your services. And this is going to be a very informal course because it's not scripted. I'm going to be talking my mind while I'm going to be showing you my screen, some slides, my own Meta Ads dashboard. So let's dive into it. Welcome to module 1 of getting started. I'm going to start with the points that you're going to be covering in module 1. I'm going to give you a quick intro on why module 1 and what we're going to cover in that. And in module 1, you can expect, creating Meta business account, the ad account, setting up your payment methods, your pixel, and connecting or creating FB and Insta accounts, and sharing access if and when required. So the intro is going to be about the structure of Facebook or Meta in this instance, right? So we know that Facebook is a social media platform, but the entire thing is now under one thing called as the Meta Facebook Business Manager platform. Okay, we have our Facebook pages, we have our Instagram pages, then we have our ad account, then we have a Facebook pixel, billing and payments. All of that will be connected on your business manager account that we are going to create shortly. And what you see on the left hand side over here, the Meta or the Meta suite, that is where you get notifications and messages from your customers or your followers on Instagram pages or Facebook pages. That's where you get notified. So Meta Suite is not something that we're going to be covering here in this course. We're going to be covering the major topic of Facebook Business Manager account, right? So this is about the intro. I will see you in the next one.